Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to R&R the driver's side door panel. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So we're going to take the main switch bezel off. I'm just going to pry up on the connectors. Disconnect the two connectors here. We've got the little one for the mirrors, and this switch right here is kind of tricky, so you got to push in on that and lift up on the outer part of the housing, like that. Then the switch comes off. Now we have a Phillips screw right here. And we got to take the plastic bezel right in here off. So, little screwdriver. Another Phillips screw. Now I think I have to take this handle up. So you've got plastic clips, 1, 2, 3. Well, that one's broken. And then a Phillips screwdriver. And now we should be able to grab the door panel and just pry on it wherever the plastic door pieces are. Get this one piece. And then you've got the marker, door marker light, which just automatically came out. Someone's been in this door, whoever prior owned it, and they broke every clip I could find. Disconnect it, push down that little tab. If one of the door pieces, these little prongs come off, they're real easy to attach. Just bring it right back on there, snap it in place. Make sure you put that marker door harness through that slot. Then we're going to bring it up. Make sure that mounting screw, we're going to bring this through the actual door panel, like that. Make sure you harness your main switches out and start lining up bring it up over the top, the window. It's a real small, little tight lip on this. Here we go. Push down. So once you get it over that lip of the top of the door panel, make sure this wire hasn't fallen back out. Push it right through there. That's clear. Now you can guide your pins on the side, snap them in all the way around. I like to make sure it's snapped all the way in before I start bolting things down. Now you've got 3 mounting screws, 2 long chrome and a little small black one. The black one goes on the handle, so we'll go right there first. Then you have the 2 silver ones, go right here. Put our main switch back on. Make sure that outside housing that slides locks in. The mirror switch. Before we guide that on, we'll put this one on. This is the actual armrest. So you've got these prongs back here that have to line up. There we go. put our plastic trim back in. So you're going to line up all those little body clips. And then the last thing, we have our marker light. Turn it on, click it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.